Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover file operations. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover basics of file operation. Fstream header file is required for file operation. I have declared char array data of size 100 to store data. Created Fstream object called file. Of stream or output file stream is used to create file and write. If stream or input file stream is used to read from file. Fstream or file stream is combination of stream and if stream. Opening the file using open function. Open function has two parameters. First parameter is file name with path. Second parameter is mode. Modes available are app or append mode. 8 or open file for output, and move read or write control to end of file mode. In or read mode. Out or write mode. Trunk or truncate content before opening file, if exist mode. Closing the file using close function. In the next program, I am going to cover file read. I have declared char array data of size 100 to store data. Opened the file in read mode. Reading the file word by word and storing the data in char array data. And displaying the data using cout function. Closing the file using close function. In the next program, I am going to cover file write. Stored data in char array, called data. I have opened the file in append mode. Appending data into file. And closing the file using close function. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on C++ program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.